Let's talk resort wear. We're entering the summer season and it's time to start thinking about the outfits for your holiday. What more exciting than that? If you're planning your summer holiday, make sure to consider your wardrobe. And if you need help with that, we can meet in London. I can book a private styling room with outfits tailored to your brief, or we can work online and I can curate an edit based on your size and style preferences. When I built a capsule wardrobe for resort wear, it's almost the same principles as building your everyday capsule for work. You have to have a few key pieces around which you create your looks. So for my edit today, I have a lot of swimwear and cover-ups because let's face it, during our holidays, we live mainly during the day in beachwear. And there are a few brands on my radar I can't wait to show you. So one is Jean Paul Gaultier. This is not so popular when it comes to bikini and resort wear, and that's the reason why I love it. So I have this one with cover-up, big scarf that could be styled as a sarong or separate like denim shorts from Pucci. Dolce & Gabbana, how sexy is this? Imagine it with sheer black pants. It will look amazing for a beach club. And of course, Missoni. If there is one print this season that's a must-have, that's Missoni. Whether you want to go for a bikini, shorts, skirts, or a dress, it's immediately will give you a fashionable look. Zimmermann, they do have beautiful swimsuits and separate. And I also love Jonathan Ortiz for linen maxi dresses and cords. So I have lots of denim shorts. It's such a good summer staple. So we have like Frame, which is a denim classic, and I have Zimmermann as well. And I'm planning to pair these with a crop top from Missoni. So really cute beach or daytime lunch look. I have Christopher Esper, and I'm gonna pair this with Missoni cover-up. Again, great beach club. And I also have trousers, so this could be a yacht look. Something like this will make a fabulous dinner or nightclub look. Just imagine it with sparkly heels, it will look fab. And the same brand does like long sleeve cover-ups as well that can back up as a dress. Pucci, another must-have print for the season. Whether you go for a slip skirt or a long sleeve dress, I feel like both are fabulous options for the summer. The G is a good old classic we can't go without when we build resort wear. And I also have some simple basics from Dawn. So when you pack your summer wardrobe, it's great to have all the fun colors and prints, but then really you need like a simple white tank top, neutral shorts to be able to restyle the both pieces in multiple ways. And when it comes to fun shoes, because my client today, she loves like statement heels, I have this super gorgeous pair from Valentino with cherry print, and I do have Muse as well, which is slightly more comfortable. Mesh ballet flats from Prada, and I have the sparkly Aquazzura pair that, I mean, I love it now for a few seasons, and I think if you need one pair of heels to go with all your events wear and summer looks, like, that's the one. Summer accessories, where to start? I have lots of raffia, and these are some of the handbags I do recommend for the summer season. Let's say you're going to the Greek islands, France, Nice, Italy. I feel like having a small handbag that will fit your phone, credit card, sunglasses is a must. And this raffia style from Fendi is super cute. I think it's gonna go with everything. Or if you wear a lot of neutrals and all whites or black looks, maybe a pop of light blue. Another great wallet handbag. Miu Miu do some really fun rhinestone bags as well. This is a style that I love at the moment. And again, it will add a statement to your look. You can pair these with neutral slides from Fendi. I think this style will be fabulous with any color, really versatile, one pair to pack in your summer wardrobe. And then of course I have lots of Valentino. For me, Valentino is a classic. I still love the Rockstud style, whether it's gold or neutral, is beautiful. And this is their latest collection. Large suede tote bag. I think this is great for the airport style or even for the beach. It's gonna fit all your essentials and it just looks super cool. But also after your holidays, summer in the city, you can pair it with jeans with the bohemian style white blouse, and this will look beautiful.